Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about introduction to economics. Now in this topic, you're going to understand the meaning, nature and key concepts of economics. So let us begin. Students, have you ever been given cash by your parents or relatives? Have you ever thought about how to spend the money? Do you save the money till it's a large amount and to buy your favorite clothes or books? Does it make you happy? Every individual in life always wants to be happy. And how does one express? One expresses this by satisfying various needs and wants. So let us try to understand what is need and want and the difference between these two terms. Need is something that one should always have, something without which one cannot live. For example, food, clothing and shelter. Whereas want is a good or service that is not essential for living. We may desire or wish to have them to satisfy ourselves. Example, eating out, designer clothes and accessories. You must be wondering, what are goods and services? So let us try to understand the meaning of terms goods and services, which are the means by which we satisfy our needs and wants. Goods are items that are tangible, which we can touch and hold, such as books, bed, car, cell phone, cosmetics, air conditioner, etc. Now this can be further classified into 4 types: consumer goods, capital or producer goods, private goods, and the last one, public or social goods. So let us see each one in detail. Consumer goods. Now these are directly used for final consumption purpose. For example, food, clothes, etc. Second, capital or producer goods. These are used not for direct consumption but for producing other consumer goods. Such goods are also called as intermediate goods. For example, machines and tools. Third, private goods. These goods are sold to the public by private firms and companies. They gain a profit from their sale and consumers have to pay a price for it. For example, car, book, pen, etc. And the last one, public or social goods. These goods are offered to the public by the government free of cost. They are enjoyed by all sectors of the society. For example, public park, infrastructure, etc. Services are actions that are performed by someone else, such as medical checkups, food delivery, car repair, teaching, etc. They are intangible in nature, which cannot be touched or seen. So students, our needs and wants can be satisfied by purchasing the particular goods or services, for which we have to earn an income in the first place to spend it. So students, this gives rise to the need to perform various human activities. Now, we are going to discuss about human activities more in detail in the next video.